So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can export files and attachment from parent and child object using Files Downloader application. Files Downloader application, the first option you will see what would you like to download, which is files and attachment. So I've chosen files and attachment. After this, I can directly jump to search an object. So here I'm taking account. If you want to search the parent and child object, the files and attachment in the child object. So this is the related record of account. This is the option which is widely being used by many of our customers. So you can take primary object as an account and then secondary object as a contact. Perfect. And I'm hitting the search related records. So as you can see, the total files found 5, page 1 out of 1. These all are the files. These are the record name, their size, their type, and last modified date. So besides to title, I have selected all the files now. I'm simply clicking on download now. So as you can see, the total size of the files is 3.14 MB. So the same has been, all the files has been successfully downloaded. Now, in order to map and see the files, you can search, you can check from here. This is what I downloaded. So these were the files which were there in the all these contacts, whether it's a Jill, Joe Kobe, and Steve Avon. And this is the CSV file which has been downloaded, which has ID, their title, their parent ID, the parent name Carol White, all the contact names, primary parent ID. This is very important, and the primary parent name. So this is the account record, and this is the parent account parent ID, and this is the file path. The owner ID, owner name, create date, last modified, content document ID. So this is all you get in the CSV file. Moving forward, you can also see a files downloader dashboard where you can see the file downloaded by a user, total number of files downloaded, and you can also track history. So month by month, weekly by weekly, you can also check that. I hope you like this demo. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions for us, feel free to share.